Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody to my show. And today we have come at a historic place which was built almost 300 years ago. That is situated at Pailgaon Union under Jagannathpur district of Sunamganj. Under Jagannathpur Upazila of Sunamganj district. And today, along with some of my students from Raniganj Alim Madrasa have come to visit this place, and we have been visiting this wonderful place, and we have been acquiring lot of knowledge regarding this palace. And the name of this palace is Babu's Palace and Queen's Palace, but unfortunately the Queen was very much tyrant, and she used to misbehave with the surrounding people who were under his subject. And you can see there is a huge pond, and in front of the pond there is another structure. In that structure it was reported that a lot of people were slaughtered who were stood against the king and queen in this area. And the historic college in Sylhet, that is MC College, all the property provided by this queen of Pailgaon queen, and MC College was built up on the land of this queen. Already you can see lot of people are coming here to visit this place in the falling afternoon, and we have been enjoying this place very well. And sun is going to be down, we can see from the way. And my dear student Ziauddin, and along with him his another friend Maruf and Muhammad Sadi, and my another student he has already gone down by the staircase, and now we have been going down. We have been going down through this. He is Muhammad Mahdi. He is going to take some picture. Okay. Yes, you can start.
It's a খুব সুন্দর place, sir. দেখার মতো.
Nice place. And lot of boys and girls comes here to romance in the afternoon time, and we have already seen some of the scene.